welcome to today's This Is What I Ate Today. Good morning.
Good morning. This is what I ate today. The Beast cup
I see
was
your beauty
dirty
today.
Well, only because Beast was dirty.
Don't be like that.
My second mug of coffee with some silk almond creamer in it. And that's what I eat probably until 11 or 12 o'clock.
All right. I am having a Cliff Bar. They're back on the menu. We haven't had them in so long, and it's been like, I need a Cliff Bar. But we finally got some, and I'm going to have the white chocolate with macadamia nuts.
Yum.
So that's gonna be nice. Gonna get that going before I get on the exercise bike. And
will there be a bagel in your future?
I was thinking about having a smoothie today.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, so cold.
I know, but I just want one.
Okay, that's cool.
So we'll see.
That's cool though.
We'll see how I feel later.
Alright, it's time to eat something finally. It's 12:20. So I'm having some of this beautiful raisin pecan bread that I got the other day. Gonna finish it up. It's a lot, but I'm hungry.
I haven't had a syrup.
It's in there.
No.
What are you having?
You were right. I'm too cold for a smoothie.
Uh-huh.
I'm also not having a bagel.
Oh.
I'm having some banana waffles.
Yes.
So we had a while back, but we froze them.
Right. Banana oatmeal waffles.
Yeah, I got that in the toaster right now.
Ooh, I see you have some pure original maple syrup.
Yes, I'm having a sausage patty.
Gardein.
I think it's Gardein, but it doesn't look like the Gardein.
I think it's Gardein.
It looks lighter than the Gardein ones usually look. It smells good though. I'm just heating that up in the microwave.
I hope you didn't overheat it because it's going to turn it petrified.
Yeah, I know.
It seems like it was on a while.
It's only a minute 30.
It smells like Gardein.
It smells like the Gardein.
Very sagey.
Yeah. Oh, I love those.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite Gardein products. They're all so good though. I've never had one that I didn't like. So we got that. Waiting on the waffles. Then I'm gonna put some, I can't believe it's not butter. It's vegan! Dressing. Syrup.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Do you guys say syrup or syrup?
Syrup.
I say syrup.
That's the ice maker. Ever since we got the new fridge, every time the ice maker drops out a load of ice cubes, Lucy thinks somebody's knocking at the door.
Yeah. Let me just get this together. I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Alright.
Hi.
No barking.
Alright, here it is. Oh, it looks so good. It smells even better. I'm ready to dive in.
Mmm. I'm almost halfway done.
Alright, must be lunchtime.
Yeah.
Looking good. So I have some leftover pizza from last night. This pizza was the bomb diggity.
Oh, thanks.
Tell everyone what was on it.
Well, we had some paisana pasta sauce.
Ooh.
We had some Daya smoked Gouda.
Ooh.
We had some Beyond Meat chicken strips.
This
lightly
one?
seasoned
Yep.
chicken strips. And a bonus, there was a couple of nuggets of Meiwa fried chicken on
Which
there.
is so dangerously delicious.
My last meal.
I also have some Greek salad here. So we got cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and red onion. And then what's in your dressing?
Oil and vinegar and some spices and salt and pepper.
Classic. I think we have a video for that.
We do.
Somewhere. And some French cut string beans with some Frank's Red Hot Original.
Sauce.
Woo!
I'm having a Sammy with some
Beautiful.
of the Light Life ham slices, some Just Mayo on there as well. That's got to go back in. Yeah.
And a big bowl of string beans.
Big bowl of the rest of the string beans with the hot sauce on it. So
Looking like a good lunch.
is that a weirdo to eat like a can of string beans with my...
I think it's awesome.
I'm trying to eat through the stockpile that we have because we have like, in case anything happens, not like World War or anything, like in case the power goes out or whatever, we have like canned food and stuff downstairs. So
gotta make sure it's eaten before the coat is up or whatever.
Exactly. So that's what I'm doing. I'm rotating my stock. So this is just in case of emergency for me and for you. Yay, it's snack time.
Hold on.
Daddy just ate half my snack. I have to refill.
So you're having peanut butter filled pretzels. I'm sticking with the peanut butter theme. Nutter Puffs by Pop Chips. Oh.
I've been eating nothing but junk today.
Oh, really?
Well, I had the sandwich with the cold cut. And then,
I mean, it's not like you're
I had
going out
string
and
beans
eating,
with
like,
it.
ridiculous food.
Yeah.
It's reasonable.
I had toast for breakfast. This is not a health food. I'm gonna have a super ass healthy dinner tonight, so.
Okay. I think you need to, like, not be so hard on yourself.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just because you ate junk food all day too?
No, I didn't.
What'd you have for breakfast? Oh, you had a Cliff Bar? Not exactly,
I'm not here to judge myself.
Well, girl, if I look like you, I wouldn't either.
Alright.
Guys, it's dinner time. And we're having some red lentil chili today. I made it a little bit different without any potatoes. So we're having it with some quinoa chia chips over here from Sam's Club. From Wild Roots. Maddie is right in the middle of the live show that we do on our Mad Rose D channel. So I'm gonna do a dinner delivery.
That's a lot of food.
I knew you were gonna say that. Just eat as much as you can and Sean will eat the rest.
Oh my god, that's gigantic.
Sorry.
Thank you.
But look, there she is. There's all the chatters.
Hey guys, you're on
Give it up
the
for
video.
Vegan as Fork.
Yeah.
And I will go get my food. I will feed everybody else. And then we will continue with the live show.
It's a lot of food.
Don't eat. Right, oh, look, your furry basketball says, "Where's mine?"
Homie.
And Minnie
Min.
said, "Where's my furry basketball?"
Minnie is here to protect the meal.
I see that.
Min.
Oh, all right. So, I'm just gonna give everybody else their dinner, and that's what we ate for dinner.
All right.
So, in case you missed it, tonight was red lentil chili. We got some leftovers.
Yeah.
For tomorrow.
And now it's time for dessert.
And I just put out some of the Christmas mugs.
Yay! Oh, so many good ones.
This is one of my favorites. Bah humbug.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many good ones.
Look at this wiener dog
I
who
love
wraps
that
all the way
one.
around.
Yes.
Love it.
Rudolph and Clarice, love. Halloween
There's
Magic, love.
always tomorrow.
Yep. Winky Santa. Chewbacca's always here.
Yeah.
This one isn't really a Christmas mug, but it does
But you
make me
got
think
it
of
at
Christmas. Yeah. And I just love Christmas in London.
Yes.
And I don't think this is a Christmas mug either.
But
It's just nice. The
I like
colors
the
are
green and red.
colors read Christmas.
I didn't get it at Christmas. Should I put it away?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I think the colors work.
Because I had another one that I didn't put out.
Mhm.
Because it wasn't exactly Christmas.
Oh yeah, I got that one for Christmas one year too.
You got this for Christmas. I thought that was cute.
Beautiful.
But it's not necessarily, you know.
It's fine.
Oh wait, does he have like a Christmas hat on? No, right?
I don't think so.
I think he just has like a beret on or something.
Yeah, because it's like a French bulldog.
Well, it's got nothing to do with what we ate today.
Okay, well anyway. We are having our dessert and we're just keeping it simple with the Annie's organic chocolate chip cookie bites. So good. Me, Mom, Sean, we're all partaking. Daddy is asleep.
Well, that was another This Is What I Ate, for better or for worse. Thank you for watching though. I hope you enjoyed watching what we ate today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this train wreck, or some recipe videos, or some lifestyle videos. Till next time, much love.